Okwiga abarotare kwetantare nguzi bakayamba bari ombukene. Engineer Raymond Kamugisha orukura Industrial Hubs akwereyo bwabera ari omugenye mukuru ahakwemeka bebembezi basya ba Rotary Club of Kabwe.
Here we have every other thing, but corruption has lived our country. Greed by people in authority, people who are supposed to serve the wananchi, the unprivileged. Someone decides to take a whole road alone at home. He takes a borehole at home.
Ahamkoro Rotarian Rosio Muramira Magambo ayemekirwe nka president wa Rotary Club of Kabwe kandi Gertrude Namirembe ayemekirwe nka president wa Rotary Club ya Kabwe.
It over officially. That is our legal document. Disease prevention and treatment is very, very vital. We need to focus on strengthening our health infrastructure in our area going forward. Especially maternal health, because we have a very fertile population. So people are giving birth all the time.
To engage everybody, tukazamu ESG, environmental social governance, because this year 2026 2027 we have the target of planting 500 trees within the municipality of Kabwe to protect the environment.
Stubborn to jenana moto yitu air service above. So nataka tutunyoke nshari teriyo nabokuba kuri muhango gwa Rotary no kuyamba abantu kandi okuteka amani ahabyamagara na n'obwegese nomanyango okuba ina magana manungi kya kuyamba kwega n'ejo tunga obulamu bw'ejo misho.
President wa Rotary Club ya Kabwe Rotarian Rosio Muramira Magambo hona yongere yasha abantu okuteka amani ahakwiha omwana w'umwojo nyuma ahabo burungi hamwe n'entunguka yabona.
Government ikagenda cha women empowerment yareba ku empoweringa umwana w'umukimunonga than umwana w'umwojo konkato umwana w'umushi aizere yarabaho w'umwojo. So what we are doing now, we are on boy child, so now we want to empower these boys nabakargama abantu bamana.
A person of privilege should skill one person per year. Take someone koromuta ego kwesha rani umchano chowani ego okwesha ayege gambira mkoro. So if we have to get people, government has 500,000 workers. We want all 500,000 people employed as a campaigner or campaign, or at least skill one people out of there.
Boy, congratulations.
Gasha kwa Gerard tugume muri Sheema.